Information about Aesculus parviflora. Aesculus parviflora, commonly known as Bottlebrush Buckeye, is a deciduous shrub or small tree native to the southeastern United States. It is a member of the genus Aesculus, which also includes horse chestnuts and buckeyes. The plant can grow up to 10 feet tall and 10 feet wide, and has a rounded habit with a dense, spreading crown. It produces large, showy spikes of white flowers in midsummer, which are arranged in a bottle brush shape, giving rise to its common name. The flowers are followed by large, prickly seed pods, which split open in the fall to reveal shiny brown nuts. Bottlebrush Buckeye is known for its attractive foliage, which consists of dark green, palmately compound leaves that turn yellow in the fall. It is a popular ornamental plant in gardens and parks, and is often used as a specimen plant or in mass plantings. The plant prefers moist, well-drained soils and partial shade to full sun. It is relatively easy to grow and is tolerant of a wide range of soil types and pH levels. However, it is not particularly drought tolerant and may suffer in periods of prolonged dryness. While the plant is generally considered to be relatively pest and disease-free, it may be susceptible to leaf spot, powdery mildew, and scale insects. Pruning is not usually necessary, but the plant may be shaped or thinned as needed in early spring.